If you are from Metro Manila, an OFW or retiree looking for a nature-inspired community, I would like to welcome you all here in Zadia, located in Greenfield City, Santa Rosa, Laguna. Hello everyone! So, right now, nandito tayo sa one of our resale units here in Tower 1 of Zadia. So, magkakaroon lang tayo ng quick condominium tour dahil marami na tayong ginawang condo tour before. So, upon entering, meron tayo dito kitchen counter with sink na rin siya and cabinets. Ang kagandahan, meron tayo ditong napakalaking space for the toilet and bath. So it also comes with the lavatory, toilet, and also shower. Ang kagandahan dito, syempre usually pag condominium, pwede kang maglagay ng automatic washing machine. So even though meron ka dyang malaking washing machine sa loob ng toilet and bath, is hindi mako-compromise yung space. So makakagalaw ka pa rin freely. And this area, so eto, you can turn it into a bedroom, living room, or whatever you like. So if you are someone na naghahanap ng property for investment that you want to turn into a rental property, pwede rin naman for end use, this one is actually perfect. So, yung usual or yung standard size natin here in Tower 1 is 24.9 square meter for a studio unit. But you know what? This one has 31 square meter. And ang kagandahan, para ka na rin nasa penthouse because this is located at the top floor of the Tower 1. So, we are currently here at the 12th floor ng Zadia Tower 1 where matatanaw natin yung Greenfield City. So, if you are planning to invest here in Zadia, gusto ko lang pong i-mention that we are also offering other services. So, if you need an assistance with the fit-out, renovation, and construction, ayan, pwede rin namin kayo matulungan. Especially yung mga clients natin na walang time, definitely, we are offering a one-stop shop service wherein kami na po lahat ang mag-a-assist for you. So, ayan, i-discuss ko lang din po sa inyo yung township development here in Greenfield City as well as the other master plan community na nakapalibot sa ating project. So, here in Zadia Tower 1, so matatanaw natin yung Greenfield City view. So, dito sa ating left side, nandyan si Arcadia, Paseo Outlet, Laguna Central, and also para sa ating mga retiree, so we have here the Medical City South Luzon. So imagine, syempre sa mga retiree natin, definitely ayaw na nilang mag-travel ng long hours just for their weekly and monthly check-up, di ba? At least ito, one stone throw away lang. And also, if meron kang guests or meron kayong event or gathering, we have here the Premier Hotel. Malapit lang din siya sa atin. And kung mapapansin nyo yung ongoing construction dyan, that is the Vivere Hotel. So, yung area na yan is the Santa Rosa Business Park wherein nag-o-offer din tayo ng mga commercial spaces or commercial lot perfect para sa mga big businesses. So, if you are a company owner from BGC, Makati, or any parts of Metro Manila and you are planning to expand here in Metro Santa Rosa, this is actually a perfect spot, very ideal kasi nga napapaligiran siya ng different township development and at the same time malapit lang tayo sa Eton Greenfield exit. So very accessible na siya. So kung mapapansin nyo din, we have here the ongoing land development. So possible maging commercial development yan. And we'll never know, malay natin magkaroon din ng another condominium sa tapat, di ba? Possible naman yon. So dito sa aking right side, matatanaw natin yung ating Tower 2 of Zadia. So here in Zadia, magkakaroon tayo ng total of 5 towers kapag natapos na yung buong development. So as of the moment, yung Tower 1 and Tower 2 are already occupied. But katulad nga ng na-mention ko, we have few resale units na in-offer and meron din tayo mga reopened units from the developer. So sa ating Tower 2, same thing siya. Meron na siyang mga existing residents and with few reopened units as well and few resale units na ino-offer natin under our team. And hindi lang siya kita dito pero meron na tayo dyan Tower 3. Actually, finishing na lang siya and mata-turn over na siya this 2025. So, another development here in Zadia, kung mapapansin nyo, dun sa ground, ayan. So, bali magiging center siya ng 4 towers here in Zadia, which is the clubhouse with swimming pool. So, siya yung main amenity natin here in Zadia. And ang kagandahan dito, na-mention ko nga that this is a nature-inspired community wherein 20% lang yung makukonsume ng ating towers and the rest of 80% is open space and parks. So another thing, gusto ko lang din i-share sa inyo, na-mention ko that there are also different township development here in the area. So si Greenfield City, meron siyang 400 hectare development wherein we have the residential development, commercial, recreational, and industrial. So aside from those na nabanggit ko, meron din tayo ditong schools like Miriam College, we have the Xavier School, and syempre, sa other development, meron din tayong other options for the institution. Now, etong way na to, kapag didiretsuhin mo yan, ayan, madadaanan mo yung Santa Rosa Business Park na na-mention ko, wherein nag-offer tayo ng commercial lot na merong 1,000 plus square meters. So, perfect siya para sa mga headquarters. So, if you are an owner of a BPO company, yan, pwede siya dito. So, kapag dinire-diretsyo mo tong daan na to, makakarating tayo sa Eaton City, which is another township development na katabi ni Greenfield. So, sa Eaton City, meron tayong total of 600 hectares development. So, mixed use din siya. We have the Eaton Square. Ayan, kung nasaan yung ating mga commercial development, meron siyang Jollibee, 7-Eleven, meron din siyang Starbucks. So, perfect siya pag meron kayong quick meetings. So, may mention ko lang din yung 4 different residential projects in Eaton City. So, we have the Tierra Bella, Riverbed, West Wing, and also the South Lake Village. So, kagandahan sa South Lake Village, meron tayo dyang man-made lake. So, another development din na kalapit lang din ni Greenfield is si Santa Elena, wherein meron dyang Santa Elena Golf and Country Club. So, dyan din matatagpuan yung other projects na ino-offer natin. So, mostly ng mga projects natin dyan are resale kasi, well, mostly are actually sold out na from the developer. So, meron tayo dyan si Georgia Club, we have the Augusta, meron din dyan La Residencia. So, meron tayong mga resale properties dun sa mga nabanggit ko na village. So, meron pang other villages and ang kagandahan, yung future UST ng Santa Rosa is sakop siya ng Santa Elena. So, imagine kapag natapos yung development dyan, mas malaki pa siya compared sa UST Manila. So, ang pinakamaganda and lastly, township development is the New Valley Master Plan Community. So, it has 2,400 hectare mixed-use development. So, nandyan naman yung different malls katulad ni Soledad 1, 2, 3, and magkakaroon din ng Soledad 4. We have the Ayala Malls. So Nuvali is strategically located within the 3 cities, which are Santa Rosa, Laguna, Cabuyao, and also Calamba. So the good thing about Nuvali is it also offers different residential communities that varies depending on your lifestyle. So simulan natin sa premium development of Ayala, which is the Ayala Land Premier. So under the Ayala Land Premier development, we have the Ilaro, Santiera, Albrio, and meron din tayong Montecito. So another development is under naman ni Albeo Land Development. So we have the Trevea, Venare, and Mirala. And lastly, another development which is subsidiary of Ayala is the Avida Land Development. Kung nasaan si Ceres Avida Settings, we have the Avida Settings, Woodhill Settings, Parkway Settings, and Ridgeview Estates. So, ayan, nakita nyo naman sa presentation natin gaano ka-ideal here in Metro Santa Rosa, especially dito sa area natin ng Greenfield dahil napapaligiran siya ng different master plan community. So, another good thing, kung isa kang investor, ang property mo is located malapit sa Ayala project. Ano bang benefit nun kapag malapit tayo sa Ayala? Well, one of the benefits is the property value appreciation. So for sure, mabilis yung pag-appreciate ng value. Well, here pa lang sa Zadia alone, nag-i-increase na yung value ng property every 15 units sold. How much more pa kung katabi natin yung Ayala development? Kasi alam naman natin na kahit wala pang progress sa area, kapag nagtayo si Ayala dyan ng development, sunod-sunod na yan from other developer, magtatayo na rin sila ng iba't ibang master plan community. At yun yung malaking tulong kung bakit mabilis na nag-appreciate yung value ng property dahil mabilis siyang nadidevelop because of different developers na mag-i-start ng project. So again, if you are from Metro Manila and you are tired of an overcrowded community, at least here in Metro Santa Rosa, meron ka pa ring option for a nature-inspired community. So kitang-kita nyo naman sa video natin, more greenery and open space. And meron ka pang magandang view. So aside sa mga na-mention ko na kanina, we have here the Laguna de Bay. And kung mapapansin nyo doon, that's the Makati skyline. So, if you are someone na planning namang mag-start ng rental property, nakita nyo kung paano kayo magbe-benefit. So, if end user ka, syempre, magugustuhan mo tong community, magbe-benefit ka, and how much more yung magiging renter mo, di ba? May enjoy din nila tong view natin as well as yung convenience na pinoprovide ng ating community. So, another good thing, if you are a retiree, na-mention ko na everything is just one stone throw away. So, malapit ka lang sa different hospitals for check-up. So, mabalik lang tayo sa project natin here in Greenfield City. So, nakalimutan ko pala i-mention that aside from Zadia, we also have here other residential development like Pramana, Sulen, Trava, which is the premium development of Greenfield Development Corporation. So, pagdating sa Trava, nag-o-offer tayo dyan ng 550 square meter na lot area up to 750 square meter. So, if you are an end user or an investor na prefer yung bigger lot size, ayan, perfect sa'yo si Trava. And ongoing na din yung development ng clubhouse, which is a solar powered. So going back specifically here in Zadia, so again, na-showcase naman natin yung different community or different township development sa area. So if you are someone na adventurous, ayaw mong nasa isang lugar ka lang, you still have an option to go to the other cities and also enjoy their community. So ang kagandahan dito, even though you are from Cavite or Metro Manila area, again, very accessible siya. We have here the 3 major exits. So we have the Eton Greenfield exit, Mamplasan exit, and Santa Rosa exit. So few minutes drive lang siya connecting to SLEX or Calax. Now, here in Zadea, i-mention ko lang po sa inyo that you have different options depending on your preferences. So we have here a pre-selling unit na under ng Greenfield Development Corporation wherein nag-o-offer tayo ng 10 to 13.5% amortization na stretch yung payment up to 32 to 36 months yung kanyang installment, and the rest, yung remaining balance, you can either loan it through bank financing or pwede rin namang cash payment. So if ever plano nyo mag-loan through bank, no need for you to worry kasi kami na rin po ang mag-a-assist sa inyo. So another good thing, if you are someone naman na nagmamadaling lumipat or plano na mag-start agad ng rental business, well, we have here the RFO unit. So, na-mention ko that Tower 1 and Tower 2, ito pa lang po yung may existing residence. So, dito pa lang din po tayo nag-o-offer ng few units na available for rental and also for sale. So, we have here the ready for occupancy under ng developer. So, ano din siya, 10% is payable up to 3 months and the remaining balance, again, pwedeng i-loan through bank financing or cash payment. But another good thing, if you are someone na nagmamadaling lumipat and at the same time, gustong makasave kahit papano, we have here a resale unit. So kapag resale, that is secondary market. So, hindi na siya under ng developer, under na siya ng current owner. So, ang good thing is, yung mga resale natin, direct tayo sa owner. Kaya nabibenta natin siya ng below ng market value. And additionally pa pala, for our pre-selling units, nag-o-offer din po tayo ng parking space. So, if you are someone na need ng parking yan, ino-offer din natin siya in addition to the unit itself. So, again, napakita naman natin, na-showcase natin yung sample turnover unit natin. Ganito na mismo yung ma-receive nyo. It varies na lang depende sa specific unit na mapipili nyo. So, for our resale properties, meron tayong semi-furnished and meron din namang complete finished. If you are someone na naghahanap ng rental na unit, so, ayan, we have a variety of options for you. So, one last thing before I end this video, if you are someone na merong existing unit here in Zadea and as well as in Greenfield like Pramana, Solen, Trava, and other master plan community here, so which are the Eton City, Santa Elena, and New Valley area. Ayan, you are welcome to message me para mailagay natin sa listing yung property mo. So, we are going to help you na mabenta din yung property. So, that's it for today. My name is Joyce of JYS Property Investment. Again, if you are an OFW, an investor, or someone currently living from Metro Manila and you want to enjoy a nature-inspired community, ideal and perfect for investment, well, this is the best option for you. So you can contact me on my details flash on the screen, which is 639-650-759-571 through iMessage, Viber, and WhatsApp.